Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we've got a short strength workout for the whole body using one of these stretchy bands. It's a really good way of adding resistance so that your muscles work a little bit harder. Always do a warm up before you get going. I've got one here that you can follow along to. So we're going to start off with the upper body. We're going to take the band securely, place it under the heels, soft knees, neutral pelvic position. And then we're going to super glue this top arm to the side of the body so that you're just moving the forearm. So we're isolating the bicep. We don't want to be lifting. If you're lifting up with the shoulder, it's probably because the band's a little bit too strong, so you might need to acquire a less resistant band. Okay, off we go, 10 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, got 5 more, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Welcome to stop and have a breather and then do another couple of sets of those. Okay, next exercise, we're going to work the deltoids here at the top of the shoulder, which help to support your shoulder joint. Same deal, feet hip width apart, and we're going to soften the knees, soften the elbows, and lift out to the side. Okay, off we go, 10 on each side. 1, 1, good, 2, 2. Now I have a shoulder injury on this side, so I'm not getting up quite so far. 4, good, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Last one. Great stuff. So again, welcome to do another couple of sets. On to the next exercise. So our next exercise is also for the upper body. It's the trapezius muscles that we're working. It's a single arm row, really important for keeping us strong and our posture nice and upright. I have wound the band around this weight stand. Obviously you need to find something at home that you can do that with. Okay, so let me get in the right position so I can show you. Feet hip width apart again, soft knees, and you're just going to pull the arm back, keeping the arm and the elbow close to the body. Okay, we're going to do 10 of these on each side. So pull back, 2, keeping the shoulder nice and relaxed, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then switch. So remember, you need enough resistance in this band to make it a little bit challenging, particularly when you get to say rep 5, but not so challenging that you're straining into the neck and the shoulder. Okay, so other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Lovely stuff. So now for a couple of lower body moves. We're going to start off with the band under the feet again. Feet hip width apart, nice soft knees. And we want to make sure the knees are tracking over the toes. We're going to sit back as if into a chair and come into a squat. And at the same time, we're going to bring the band up. Just like that bicep curl that we did before. So we've got a lower body and an upper body exercise at the same time. Okay, let's go. So 1, 2. You don't have to go down too deep with the squat. Could just be a little movement. This is number 4. Trying to keep the upper arm still. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one, 10. And as always, you can repeat the reps and sets. Okay, so next we're going to do an exercise to strengthen the sides of the hip. Really important for stabilizing your hip, your knee and your ankle. You're going to need something to hold on to for this. You're going to place the band under the feet again, and I'm going to hold the band with, or both side ends of the band with one hand and hold on with the other. I'm standing up nice and tall, neutral pelvic position, nice and relaxed, and I'm just going to take the leg out to the side like so. Now, things that you need to look out for, you're not leading with the toes, you're leading with the heel. That way you hit these muscles at the side of the hip, the gluteus medius muscles that we really want to be strong. Okay, so off we go, do 10 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's turn around and switch sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our last exercise is to work these trunk stabilizing muscles, what we call your core muscles, and it's going to involve a little bit of rotation. I've got the band tied onto my stand again. So you've got your feet hip width apart, nice soft shoulders, and you're going to pull the band across the body like this. So you need a bit of resistance, and you should feel it all the way around this side here as you pull across. So we're going to start with our 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do the other side. So again, feet hip width apart, soft knees, soft shoulders, and we're pulling across the body. So it's not so much the hip that's moving, it's more these abdominals here, these oblique muscles that are pulling across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you've got 6 exercises there that you can use at home to try and start building your strength. Give it a go, try and do it 3 or 4 times a week and see how it feels, and then you can gradually progress maybe to a stronger band. Thanks for watching, hope to see you soon, feel free to subscribe.